Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could have a constant companion that combines cutting-edge technology with the comfort of a plush toy, introducing the AI Robot Green Smart Plush Toy by MBAM. This innovative product is a game-changer for adults looking for a unique and interactive desk companion. The AI Robot Green Smart Plush Toy is well-reviewed and has been purchased by many customers who appreciate its smart tech features and premium design. The Green Companion set includes a premium green smart plush toy with a durable hanging lanyard and a Type-C cord, making it an all-in-one interactive electronic pet that brings immediate tech-forward fun and vivid expressions to your desktop. The plush toy has a soft and cuddly texture, making it a joy to hold and play with, while the durable hanging lanyard allows you to take it with you wherever you go. One of the standout features of the AI Robot Green Smart Plush Toy is its ability to provide an adorable Sprout-themed design, complete with sounds and expressions that will leave you smiling. The Type-C cord makes it easy to keep your plush toy charged and ready for action, and the overall design is both stylish and functional. In real-life use, the AI Robot Green Smart Plush Toy is perfect for adding some personality to your workspace or as a gift for a friend or loved one. It's a great way to relieve stress and anxiety, and its interactive features make it a great conversation starter. Unlike other plush toys on the market, the AI Robot Green Smart Plush Toy combines the best of both worlds, offering a fun and engaging experience that is both calming and entertaining. Overall, the AI Robot Green Smart Plush Toy by MBAM is a must-have for anyone looking for a unique and interactive companion. With its combination of smart tech, premium design, and adorable features, it's the perfect addition to any desk or workspace, and its durability ensures it will provide hours of enjoyment for years to come. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.